Hey everyone, welcome to Learning Boost Lab. Today we're diving into a topic that can make a huge difference in your academic journey: mastering multiple choice tests. Whether you're in high school, college, or even preparing for professional exams, these tips and tricks will help you tackle those tricky questions with confidence and ease. I'm here to help you ace your multiple choice exams with these simple strategies. So grab a notebook, jot down these tips, and let's get started. Multiple choice tests can be tricky, but with the right approach, you can tackle them with confidence. Let's dive in and explore some effective techniques that will boost your performance. First up, read the question carefully. This might sound obvious, but it's crucial. Many students lose points simply because they misread the question. Don't rush, read every word and make sure you understand what's being asked. Take your time to absorb the question fully before looking at the answer choices. Sometimes a single word can change the entire meaning of the question. Words like always, never, only, and except are particularly important to note. Next, eliminate the obviously wrong answers. This strategy helps narrow down your choices and increases your chances of selecting the correct answer. This will increase your chances of picking the correct one. By removing the distractors, you can focus better on the remaining options. Even if you're unsure, narrowing down your options can be a game changer. It simplifies the decision-making process and boosts your confidence. Here's another tip. Watch out for absolute words like always or never. These words often indicate incorrect answers because few things are absolute. They often indicate incorrect answers because few things are absolute. Be cautious and think critically about the context of the question. Now let's talk about time management. This is a crucial aspect of any test-taking strategy. Don't spend too long on one question. If you're stuck, move on and come back to it later. This ensures you have enough time to answer all the questions. If you're stuck, move on and come back to it later. This way, you can answer more questions and maximize your score. Prioritize your time wisely. This way, you can answer more questions and maximize your score. Efficient time management can make a significant difference in your overall performance. Remember to look for clues in other questions. Sometimes one question can hint at the answer to another. Sometimes one question can hint at the answer to another. Keep your eyes open and make connections between different parts of the test. Keep your eyes open and make connections. This can help you solve questions that might initially seem challenging. When in doubt, your first instinct is usually right. Trust yourself and go with your gut feeling. Don't overthink and change your answers unless you're sure you made a mistake. Also, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Take practice tests to get familiar with the format and types of questions you'll face. This will help you build confidence and reduce anxiety on test day. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Consistent practice is key to mastering multiple choice tests. Lastly, stay calm and focused. A clear mind will help you think more effectively and make better decisions. Stress can cloud your judgment. Take deep breaths, stay positive, and believe in yourself. Take deep breaths, stay positive, and believe in yourself. Confidence is half the battle won. That's it for today's tips on acing multiple choice exams. I hope you found these strategies helpful and that they boost your confidence and performance. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Learning Boost Lab for more study tips and tricks. Your support means a lot to us. Good luck on your exams, and remember, you've got this. See you next time. Keep studying smart and stay positive.